Okay, so now we've got our filling in the center of all of these empanadas, and our next step is going to be to use the egg wash to seal our shells. And what we're going to do, remember our egg wash is 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. We're going to take our pastry brush, and we're just going to go around, let's see, around the top here on 1/2 of our empanada shell, just like so. And I'm going to scoot this over and do the same thing, like that. Excellent. Okay, gotta do 3 more. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is really going to act like the glue. It's going to seal both sides of our shell together, and that way we don't have anything seep out whenever we bake it. And that's what it looks like whenever we do the egg wash on the outside of our empanada shells.